Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the interface language of Amazon. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it's quite easy. I'm gonna show you guys two methods by which you can change the language. Well, the first one is to simply click on this EN button right here, right next to this search button. Simply hover over it, and right here you can see something like choose language. Well, select whatever language you want from right here. If you do not find this, what you can do is simply click on this button on the top left section just below Amazon. You will find these three lines. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up right from the side. Well, worry not, simply scroll down. And right here you can see something like English. Simply click on it. Then you will be redirected to this page. Well, for instance, I'm simply gonna select this language. And once everything's done, what you guys need to do is simply click on this yellow button right here. It is save. And guys, that's it. That's how we change the language on your Amazon web interface. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.